Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the National Rail and Transportation Institute. It is the deemed to be university established by the Ministry of Railways, Government of India funded. So it is a very good institute, guys. If you got the job here, then you were a damn lucky. And here I am going to show you the recruitment of teaching and non-teaching positions in this institute. So coming to the post, the professor category, the minimum educational qualifications and the experiences are given here. So all of you know that the PhD is required and the experience is also required. And for associate professor, the PhD is required and master's degree with the minimum 8 years of postdoctoral experience is required. And coming to the assistant professor, all the posts are regular and the pay scale is the 7th pay scale, academic level 10. The total number of 15 posts are there and unreserved category 6, OBC 5, SC 2 and ST 1, EWS 1. Age limit is the 35 years preferable. And coming to the qualification required for this one is master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, UGC, NET, SLET or SET must be there. And if these are not there, then the candidate must have the PhD qualification. That means UGC or CSI or NET or SLET or SET must be there. So if these qualifications are not there, then PhD degree must be there. And the NET SLET set shall not be required for such master's program in disciplines for which the exam is not conducting. Okay. So additional requirements are a minimum of 3 years postdoctoral teaching research professional experience, and the candidate should have demonstrated the research capabilities in terms of publications in reputed journals and conferences. Specialization areas in which the positions are open are indicated as para 6 of this document. So these are the qualifications, guys. Fine. And now the deputy finance officer job is there and the junior accountant officer master's degree. And coming to the assistant librarian post is also there, and assistant registrar post is also there, master's degree. And administrative assistant, bachelor's degree is required plus 3 years of work experience. And coming to the junior assistant, bachelor's degree with 55% of marks is required. That is the essential qualification. So the candidates who are having these qualifications, so please apply, guys. It will be a very good opportunity if you got selected in this one, and I will show you the departments. So how to apply means you have to apply through the online links provided here. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you want to check the assistant professor, then click on this one. You will be directed to the online application form. And coming to the important dates, online application form opens on 11th October 2020. That means already open. And it continues up to 10th November 2020. That means 10 November 2020 is the last date for this one. And the specialization areas of the faculty positions in the School of Engineering and Applied Science, Mathematics, Computers, Electrical, Civil, Robotics, Mechanical. And coming to the School of Transportation, these are all the things. And Management and Leadership, these are things. And coming to the School of Humanities, Arts and Social Sciences, these are the subjects. And the School of Transport Policy and Law, these are the subjects. Okay. So the general conditions and the informations are given here. So the candidates who are having the enough qualifications of these departments, then apply to this one, guys. It will be a wonderful opportunity to all of you. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Fine. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.